Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Nothing Phone 1 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can set custom ringtones in your phone Nothing Phone 1. So here you can select any contact and you can, for particular contact, you can set a ringtone and set this LED notification. Let's see it. First go to the settings. Go to the settings of a phone here and now click on cliff interface and click on ringtones, and here click on default ringtone. You can set a default ringtone. This will be the general ringtone for all contacts. This will be the ringtone. You can see the preview. You can see the preview here. If you want to set this ringtone for general, click on set ringtone. After selecting, just click on set ringtone. If you want to set for particular contact, then you have to select the contact first. Here I would like to select Achari Ravi, and for this contact I would like to set this one, and click on set ringtone and it be set. Yes, it is set now. And now I would like to set for another contact. You can also search contact here. So here I search Princey, and for Princey I can set any other tone. Wow, this will be very superb. And I click on set ringtone. Okay, in this way you can set any ringtone for any other contact. If Princey calls you, then you will see that ringtone glowing in the back side. Ringtone will also be hearing, and also in the back side you can see it. Here I would like to call from another number. See here, Prince is calling, and if your phone is in the back side, if you lay down your phone, then you can see from the notification, that is LED light itself, you can understand that Prince is calling you. So first you have to remember that what LED notification you set, and according to that you can easily identify. Wow, superb feature given by the Nothing Phone 1. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.